How to save items on Temu App. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel WebWiz. On this video you're gonna learn how to save items on Temu App. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So in case you didn't know yet, Temu is a shop like a billionaire. So you're gonna be able to find it into your Play Store. And once you have installed your Temu, probably if you tap on you at the bottom of your screen, this is gonna link you with your Gmail account, okay, with your main Gmail account on your mobile. And there is a section whose name is followed shops, okay. So here we are not gonna be able to save just an item, but the whole shop. Let me show you. So let's suppose I'm interested in musical instruments and I would like to, look at these microphones, the professional wireless lavalier. So if you scroll down a lot after the comments and so much, you're gonna find the name of the shop, Senwuko, on this opportunity. And Senwuko has 341 followers and so much, and there is the button to follow. So if I tap on follow, now I'm following. I must go back, go into you and followed shops, and there I'm going to find Senwuko. This is like a great advantage because this store just has 5 items. So if I tap on view, I'm gonna find my microphones in an easier way. Okay, but I previously saved another one as the Pengi, so 39 items. So you must tap on view in order to check all the items of this store until you find what you were interested in. Okay, and that's the mechanics on Temu. That's what you can do if you want to save items on Temu app. Thanks for watching.